So, here we are. I'd like to say sunny downtown Tasmania, but it ain't. It's cloudy and overcast, but I'm here with me mate, who's just come back from a long round Australia holiday.
No, only halfway around.
Oh, hello. Halfway around.
Yeah, we only came from Western Australia to here. It's only taken us 4 years.
You didn't get it out of second gear, is that what you're saying?
Very much.
Okay. So why'd you stop after 4 years?
Because the wife needs a rest.
Ah, okay. Fair enough. So you decided to settle back down. Why in Tasmania? It's cold.
The wife is from Tasmania.
She hides the scar very well.
She does.
Okay, so anyway, you decided to settle down and put down roots again, so you got this new place. I quite like it actually. Got plenty of room, plenty of scope to do stuff. What are you planning for here?
Well, we're in the process of cleaning it up at the moment. That's what we've done to the backyard. We still have to fence it, and there will be a chook shed down the back somewhere,
Oh, I like that.
and a pad for the caravan or caravans when we have friends stay, because we do still plan to keep travelling.
Oh, okay.
But this is just going to be the base.
Ah, so you haven't stopped travelling?
No, this is just a little rest on the way.
Ah, okay. Because I noticed you already did a bit of hacking and slashing on that tree. I take it you're making room there for something.
Well, thinking of putting the caravan pads down that way and the chook house down there somewhere.
Okay. Oh, here's a question. What are you going to do with the chooks if you're travelling? Ah, are we turning it into a KFC?
Could be. Either lend them or eat them.
Okay, well that's fair enough. Why not? But you're going to put some veggies in too, aren't you?
Yes, the wife wants to have raised garden beds.
And why raised garden beds?
Because we're old, we don't want to bend over.
You know, you've left that a big opening there for comebacks, but this is a G-rated show.
Okay.
Well, you got a shite load of room here. You really do. I love it. I don't have this sort of a backyard, but you really do need a man cave.
Well, I'm going to build one eventually here.
Okay.
But it's still everything's still a work in progress at the moment.
Well, I'm liking it. And you got a place for a workshop as well, by the looks of it.
Yes, that's another job work in progress. It's there, it's just got to be, the walls have to be put in and a roller door in, and that'll be the workshop and place for a few toys.
Ah. How long do you estimate this project is going to take?
Well, we have no idea, but that's the beauty of being retired, is we don't have to do everything at once.
No, that's true. That's true. I'm working my way to that experience myself. I do like it. That ain't going to make very good firewood though.
That'll be next year's firewood.
It's pine.
It's still free and it's next year's firewood when it dries out.
Well, that's true, yeah.
Or for the fire pit that's got to be made over here.
Probably fire pit would be a better idea. I think you'll find with that heater you have inside, they actually say don't put pine in it.
Yeah.
Mm.
Well, again, the fire pit is to be redesigned and rebuilt. The wife's nephew is a welder and has promised to build me a fire pit of my design.
I have a mate back where I live who somehow along the way has picked up a sea mine.
Oh, that would make a good fire pit.
Wow! He's got that sitting as a decoration in his front yard. How would that be as a fire pit?
That would be good.
I'm hoping it's a disarmed sea mine, but there you go. Otherwise, it's like that cartoon. But where's the kaboom? And they're your neighbours, are they?
Yes.
Yeah. So you're not really that far out of town here. I mean, it's semi-rural, but you still got plenty of neighbours, so
And you've
everything's
learnt
still handy.
It's only 3 houses to the local pub.
Yes, it is. How good's that?
And there's the van up the side.
Yeah. So that's going to be moving up here.
Yes, well, I want to get the groundwork done, get some more stones and get the ground stabilised a bit more before I
Nice.
bring the van down.
Lovely. This is quite idyllic. Quite like it. It'll certainly keep you busy in your retirement.
Oh, for sure.
Plenty of projects to do.
Well, we've only been here 2 months
Yep.
and we've got a lot of progress done. So,
Nice.
but being semi-rural, the big issue is getting contractors out and everyone's busy all the time. And being in the middle of winter, it doesn't help with the weather.
Well, this is true too. In fact, we had quite a downpour last night. But it keeps things green.
Oh, yes.
You even got some water for your veggies down the track.
Oh, that'll be the water for the chook house when the chook house gets built.
Water for the chook house. How many chooks are you planning? That's a lot of water.
They can have a swimming pool.
Ah, maybe you can get duckage.
Yes.
How good is this? Very nice indeed.
If you look down the road, you can see the pub.
It's not a far crawl, is it?
Not at all.
I like it. It's a little free camping area across the road, is it?
Yep, 4-day free camp. Maximum of a 4-day stay.
Do they ever knock on the door and ask for a cup of sugar?
Not yet.
Not yet. And you got solar panels here too, so that's helping you out.
Yes. Oh,
And grass growing in the gutters.
Just saw that then. I'll have to get up and sort that.
Don't you go climbing up on ladders. No, you know, at your age.
Yeah. Oh, that is right.
This is very idyllic. I like that. And the frag, yes. The flag is raised.
That's Australian submarines.
A gazanda.
That's the one.
Very nice. I like it. And it's been a very relaxing week.
Good.
Thank you for the hospitality. Ooh, hang on. What have we spotted here?
Oh, it's faded in the sun. We only went from there, all of that, across, up there, there, and then across to there.
Aha.
So that was 4 years worth of travel.
None up the north and the east coast.
Not yet.
This is something you were planning for the future.
That's to do.
Aha.
So there's people that manage to go around in a year or in under 6 months.
But then they don't really get to see
They don't see
everything.
anything.
Yeah, that's it. But that's a very good idea to keep track.
It also makes it easy when you listen to the radio or the news and see where things are happening weather-wise and that you know which way to go.
What a good idea. I like that. And of course, if you've got 2 ways, then you keep in contact with everyone else on the road and so on.
Yes.
I like it. Should be more of it. Well, when you come back north again, be sure to pay us a visit.
Certainly will.
And I'll have a cold one ready for you.
Good.
Alrighty, well, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.